Hi guys! This video is not a makeup video. It is something quite different, a different side of me that I want to share with you, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it. Let me know your comments down below. Thank you for watching.
Do you want scones? No, not just yet. This is about healthy food. Tasty, glorious, healthy food that nourishes your body. This is a great interest and passion of mine. I haven't always been good to myself, but I have realized that food is my health and I need to see food not only as a pleasurable experience, but also the fuel that my body needs to stay at its optimum health. But I still love to indulge from time to time, as you can see in the photo. But here it is, I would like to share with you 3 quick, yummy, low-fat breakfasts, easy to create and enjoyable to eat, well, in my experience. So enjoy the recipes. Alright, for the first breakfast you will need 4 egg whites. Egg whites are high in protein and low in calories. You will also need some cherry tomatoes, mushroom, and kale. I'm only going to use the leaves or the kale, so leave off the stem because it's a little bit too tough to be able to eat it. Toss it. In a hot pan, a non-stick one will be ideal, so I'm just pouring a little bit of olive oil and a clove of garlic. I like to use garlic to infuse my oil. And then I'm gonna add my vegetables. I'm also adding my cherry tomatoes last because I don't want them to overcook. Season them with salt, pepper. You can add oregano, mixed herbs, just what you like. Same with the egg whites, season with salt and pepper. Egg whites tend to cook really fast, so that's why I cooked all my vegetables prior to adding them onto my egg whites and then just folding it over the vegetables ever so gracefully. I will then add a slice of toast. It's only optional, but I'm just having it just to keep me a bit fuller during the day. And then that's pretty much it. That's my first recipe. For the second one, you will need to use a blender, so I'm using my NutriBullet. So I'm adding celery, A piece of ginger. I love the taste of ginger, so I'm just going to throw it even with the skin. Kale. Some spinach. I'm making like a green smoothie. I'm adding some green apples and some bananas because I'm running out of apples, but usually it will just be green apples. Some matcha powder as well because I love the flavor and it's great for antioxidants and has so many benefits for your health. I'm also adding some chia seeds for protein and to keep me fuller, as well as oats. Otherwise, in 2 hours, I will just be hungry again. I will then pour some coconut water to it, and my favorite milk, well, one of my favorite milk is rice milk, so I'm adding a little bit of that as well. You can add ice cubes if you want, but the liquids are already cold, so. And then I'm just going to blend it. So I am blending it twice, just because I don't like to have bits and chunky pieces of fruit or vegetables when I'm drinking it. So you let it sit for a little bit and then blend it again. And then you just have to pour it into your glass or your takeaway cup. And then you on your way to work or wherever you're going. It's quick and easy. So for the third recipe, this is one of my favorite. I'm gonna butter a piece of toast. You can add avocado if you like, but I love the flavor of butter. And then I will boil an egg. I would boil the egg like 12.5 minutes exactly, so that it's gooey, just like that. I also love grapefruit, so I'm gonna have half a grapefruit. I don't like when it's super cold, so I will take it out of the fridge a little bit prior for me preparing my meal. And then of course I cannot live without my coffee, so I'm gonna have a long black or a short black, as long as it's black. I love my skinny cappuccinos, but when I'm out, but when I'm at home, it has to be black. Let me know if you like those recipes and if you have tried them. Comment down below if you'd like to see more of these type of videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!